How many trees are there in Brazil? It is difficult to give an exact number of trees in Brazil as the country has a vast and diverse landscape with various types of forests and ecosystems. However, according to a study by the National Institute for Space Research, INPE, in Brazil, the total forest cover in Brazil is approximately 4.9 million square kilometers, which is about 60% of the country's total land area. This forest cover includes the Amazon rainforest, the Atlantic forest, and the Cerrado savanna, among others. It is estimated that there are billions of trees in Brazil, making it one of the most forested countries in the world.